Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to view rocket progress notifications on Android 16. So let's first of all open the game. You need to go to settings. Now let's go to section about phone. Let's scroll and see Android version section, and now you have to tap repeatedly on Android version here at the top until you see the logo of the game. Now we want to press and hold the logo like this to start the game. And now when you are in the game, you want to go to home screen, so simply swipe up. You don't need to close the game, just keep it running in the background. And you need to look at the top left of your screen, and you should see here a small icon showing your status. Additionally, you can swipe down from the top to open this notification shade, and here you will see a detailed notification where you will see your status. So I have now in space status. So that is basically it. That's how you can see those progress notifications, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.